Have you been drawn to detox water recently because of its promising claims and positive effects on our body? How would you react if I tell you that some of their claims aren't true at all? Hold your anger and disappointment because you're about to find out about these myths with Detox Water Isn't for Master Cleanse, Detox Water Recipes, and Busted Detox Water Myths.
Hi there! Looking for something fun and healthy? Come and be in your best shape with us. Welcome to Mr. Pink and Mrs. Blue, where we go on our fitness journey one step at a time. I am Mrs. Blue, here to give you detox water myths that you shouldn't believe in. Soon after, we'll also be giving you our favorite detox water recipes from Very Well Fit and Birdie. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to keep you updated on how to lose weight and stay healthy. So if you're ready to bust your beliefs, let's get started. Myth number 1. Detox juices improve complexion. If you've ever read something from a box of detox juices that says, good for complexion, chances are they're lying to your face. Why? Because there are no legitimate studies that show how detox juices make your complexion better. Sure, water can hydrate your skin and make you look good and glowing, but that benefit is coming from water. You can achieve it without added ingredients. Yep, just water. The only time that you'll experience this miracle is when you're severely dehydrated. Regular consumption of detox water will give fluids to your body, hence better skin. Obviously, that is also achievable with water alone. Do you get what I'm saying? Great! Again, there is no evidence that proves that detox water is the best way to get beautiful skin. For now, let's just go for a good old skincare routine. Myth number 2. Detoxifies the body. This may shock you, but this statement isn't true. I know you're a bit confused because why is it called detox water, despite the fact that it isn't detoxifying? Well, we're not saying that. The thing that we need to clarify is the fact that it doesn't remove all toxins from our body. Specific ingredients are only capable in removing specific toxic chemicals. You get what I mean? In other words, it's not a miracle drink that will eventually cleanse your body in one sip. It will remove one toxin one at a time. I know you're feeling betrayed because of a lot of claims promising an overall body cleanse. And I'm sorry to break it to you, but it doesn't. There are no sufficient studies that say so. But that shouldn't stop you from consuming detox water. After all, there's still a lot of nutrients that await you in every variety. So don't turn your back on it, okay? Good to hear. Myth number 3. Balances pH. It's quite noticeable how people are seemingly obsessed with alkalizing products, as seen in dietary trends at the moment. However, detox water doesn't promote a more alkaline environment inside your body and will only promote better health for you. Due to a lack of scientific evidence, this is not acknowledged by dietary professionals and is considered a myth. According to Healthline, it isn't capable of altering the pH of your blood or cells through food. So it's quite impossible to prove this claim in any way. So now that we've already busted infused water myths, let's proceed to the recipes. Number 1. Cucumber, Lemon, and Basil by Kathy Wong. These are the ingredients that you will need. 10 cucumber slices, 1 lemon slice cut in half, and 3 basil leaves. Pretty common, right? And there are no exact measurements needed. This is why I love detox water. No complicated procedures, and it only takes like, 1 to 3 minutes? Now, once your ingredients are ready, you can now add them to a glass or mason jar, approximately 16 ounces or 500 milliliters. Then fill it up with filtered water, not tap water, but filtered. Cover and let it sit in the refrigerator for 24 hours, so it will be more flavorful.
If your lemon has a thick pith, you can just remove it first before adding it to the water to avoid bitterness. The next day, you can now enjoy your fruit-infused water packed with vitamins and minerals. Enjoying this video so far? Go ahead and give this video a like and share it with your friends and family who would appreciate the power of detox water. Number 2. Pear, Ginger, and Lime by Kathy Wong. Combine these ingredients in a glass. 1 slice of lime cut in half. 2 slices of a firm pear cut into smaller pieces. And a 1/4 inch thick slice of ginger. We asked you to prepare a firm pear because a ripe pear turns mushy when subjected into water for hours. Once all these ingredients are inside the glass, you can now pour the water and let it sit and chill for 12 to 24 hours before consumption. This is my favorite among all of them. So refreshing! I feel so happy whenever I'm drinking it. Ready to face the day with a smile on my face. Number 3. Ultimate Detox Water by Winta Alum. Here are the ingredients you will need. Mashed fresh turmeric, mashed fresh ginger, fresh lemon juice, cinnamon, cayenne pepper, and green tea powder. Pretty cool ingredients, right? Maybe that's why it's called the ultimate? Of course that's why! Now combine these in a pot of boiling water and serve. This is really good for promoting heart health, sugar regulation, reducing of inflammation and blood pressure, and of course, weight loss, the crowd favorite. Number 4. Strawberry Basil Water by Dr. Edward Group. OMG, right? Credits to Sheldon Cooper and his very clever pun. Now, going back to the recipes, here's what you will need. 10 fresh whole strawberries, 2 lemon wedges, freshly squeezed juice from half of a lemon, and a handful of fresh basil leaves. Now, start with 1 gallon of purified water at room temperature or colder. Combine the ingredients in a glass container, gently stir using a wooden spoon, and refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours to allow the ingredients to mingle around. Once that's done, you can now serve and enjoy your very healthy drink. Strawberry basil water is rich in antioxidants, potassium, and vitamin C, and has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Which is your favorite detox water recipe? Do you have myths in mind you want to bust in the comments? Let us know! Comment down below. Know more about detox by checking out our video, Health and Wellness, How to Detox and Refresh Your Body. Feel free to visit and follow our Facebook page and Instagram account, Mr. Pink and Mrs. Blue, where we share motivational quotes to help people go through their fitness journey with a positive mindset. That is all for today. Again, I am Mrs. Blue. Don't forget, walk on your fitness journey one step at a time. Mr. Pink and Mrs. Blue, your health gurus, will see you in the next one. Bye!